Original bad man, you done know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want.
Hey guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with another Amazon Prime wig video. Now, the wig that I have does come from Beauty Forever, and once again, they are located here on Amazon. I will leave all the information and details in the info section below, but here's the wig that I have. I have their Mongolian Kinky Curly lace frontal wig. This is what it looks like. It does have that 13 by 4 inch lace. The wig that I have is 18 inches long, 150% density. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on per usual, just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig and just to further assess what needs to be done. I do realize that I need to bleach the knots as well as tint the lace, and the hairline is a bit too dense for my liking, so I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze that up just a little bit. But for the most part, this wig is gorgeous. You can definitely get away with wearing the wig how it comes, but you guys all know me. I'm gonna have to put my little signature stamp on it, so I'm gonna start off with bleaching the knots.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one go ahead, reach your money,
I'm now taking some boiling hot water from a tea kettle, and I'm adding just about a capful of this Ritz synthetic fabric dye in the color chocolate brown. I'm gonna go ahead and tint this lace. Y'all, I was thinking about making like a lace tint concoction, something to where we can tint our lace easier, because this don't make any sense. I understand that there are easier methods. I've tried them all and I feel like none of them really work for me other than this method here. But let me know, this is something that you guys might be interested in, because y'all, I can't continue to keep doing this. But yeah, I went ahead and I tinted the lace, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna go in and thin out the hairline. It is a little bit too dense for my liking, so you guys all know how I do. I just tweeze the hairline and thin that out just a bit.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original bad man. John Tricks on the beat. Girl, you know I'm my time. I mean the way you like. Time. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Romantic with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Girl, you know I'm my time. Tell me, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Yeah. time, yes, I'm my time, girl. Give me slow wine for the rest of my life. Cause I know places we need to go, and I know things we need to do. And I don't see us breaking up when all I do is fiend for you. And if you don't believe.
So this wig is completely dry. This is actually about a few days later, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see how absolutely gorgeous these curls are. I'm a sucker for just like a really pretty curly wig. It's just, I don't know, it just does something for me. I think this is maybe like a 3C. I think maybe like it's like a type 3 curl, but it's definitely summer appropriate, and it's not heavy whatsoever. Once again, this is 150% density. It's not heavy at all, but it does definitely grow, so you got to be careful with a wig like this. I'm now going to take my Melt Me Down spray. I'm going to go ahead and temporarily adhere this wig down. The good thing about this spray is that all you have to do is spray a little bit of water in order to remove it, so that way you can take off your wig at the end of the night. And I actually recommend you doing that just to sort of give your natural hair some air to breathe, and so that way you can also take care of your hair, because no one wants like stinky hair up underneath a wig during the summertime.
Beats well clean in the London streets, so reach and nothing normal. Mr. Beats well clean in the London streets, so reach and nothing normal. And in the formal night, I hold the one vibe, yeah, girl said the third leg big, call the telephone tight, he said, nothing normal. Anytime we reach, put this love in me.
So this wig is definitely giving natural, and I'm here for it, though I'm still on the hunt for something that's more like a type 4 wig, something that's more of a kinky coily type textured wig. You know, if any company has that, I would love to try it out, but for the most part, this is as close as it gets for me, and it's cute and I like it. But once again, you guys do check out Beauty Forever. They are located on Amazon, so be sure to take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day that's coming up. You guys can definitely save a little extra cash, and I also have a discount code, so if you want to save an additional 10% off of your purchases, use discount code TwinGodesses to be able to save some extra cash. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.
My time, girl, give me slow wine for the rest of my life. Time, yes, my time, girl, give me slow wine for the rest of my life.